time. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hopefully you all are fine. This is Reema Faisal here. Let's start English literature class for class 3, week number 7. Here we go. Lesson number 3, I wonder. Assignment number 1. In this assignment, we shall discuss reading and writing. Objectives. By the end of this lesson, students, you all will be able to use pre-reading strategies to predict the content of a text from the title headings. Apply critical thinking to interact with the text and use intensive reading strategies while reading to make simple inferences using context of the text and prior knowledge. Use critical thinking to respond to the text post-reading to apply world knowledge and your own knowledge. Let's start. I wonder. Wonder means ताज्जुब से बिना मकसद इधर उधर घूमना. I wonder why the grass is green. मैं ताज्जुब से या मैं बेमकसद इधर उधर घूमता हूँ. मैं देखता हूँ क्या why the grass is green, कि घास हरी क्यों है, and why the wind is never seen, और हवा में दिखती क्यों नहीं है. I wonder who taught the birds to build a nest. किसने परिंदों को घोंसला बनाना सिखाया. एंड टोल्ड द ट्रीज टू टेक अ रेस्ट. और किसने दरख्तों को सिखाया कि वो आराम से खड़े रहें. ओ व्हेन द मून इज़ नॉट क्वाइट राउंड वेयर कैन द मिसिंग बिट बी फाउंड. चांद कब मुकम्मल गोल नहीं होता और ये सब हमें कैसे पता चला. हु लाइट्स द स्टार्स. किसने सितारे चमकाए. when they blow out and makes the lighting flash about. who paints the rainbow in the sky. कौन आसमान पर रेनबो को पेंट करता है. hangs the fluffy clouds so high. और किसने इतने नरम और मुलायम बादल ऊंचाइयों पे रखे हैं. why is it now. do you suppose that dad won't tell me if he knows. ऐसा क्यों है. आप फ़र्ज़ करें that dad won't tell me, यानी कि मेरे वालिद साहब मुझे नहीं बताते if he knows, अगर वो जानते हैं. I wonder by Jenny Kirby. Hope you all understand. Now homework time. You have to read the chapter 2 times, underline the difficult words and find out the meanings. You have to make the title page for this chapter in your copy and also complete 1-page writing. Here's a reminder for you. Copies will be submitted for checking on Friday and check copies will be returned on Monday. Office timing will be 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. So don't forget. Thank you students for watching this video. Kindly like and share this video. Also subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming learning videos. Till then, Allah Hafiz.